Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Halima and today we'll solve some more questions of counting to 10 million. In this question, they've given you a set of number discs. Here, all you need to do is write it in numerals and in words. The first thing before solving any question you need to remember is the place value chart. Let's tally it together. There is 1 in ones place. There's nothing in the place of 10, so I've written 0. Let's see how many hundreds we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've written 8 in hundreds place. Let's move on to thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've written 7 in thousands place. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10,000s, right? And lastly, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600,000s, which is what I've written here. In the next step, remember we have to divide the number into two parts and then write them into words, of course. 647. Now this part, 801. That's it. In this question, again, we have to write them in numerals and in words. The first thing, remember, that we need to know is the place value chart, which I've written here for you. The next thing is, let's tally it down. There's nothing in the ones place, so I've written 0. Let's see how many tens we have, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 tens, so I've written 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 tens, so I've written 6 here. There's nothing in 10,000s place, so I've written 0, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 700,000. And lastly, let's see how many millions we have, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 millions, which I've written in the place of millions, right? Now let's write these numbers into words. Firstly, let's divide the numbers and then we're going to write them into words. 4,706,790. Now let's write this in words, okay? We'll start off with 4. 4 million, comma, now part 700 and 90. That's it. The first thing that you need to remember is the place value chart, which I've already done it here for you. Next, we'll divide the number into two parts. 640,550. See, 550 is already done for us. 40,000 is done for us. What we're left with is 6. Check out the place of 6. It is in the 100,000s place. So we're going to write 600,000. Let's see part B. Again, we'll divide the number into 3 parts here. I've already done the place value chart for you, so I'm not doing it again. 4,830,500. 500 is written for you. 4 million is done for you. What we're left with is 830,000. See, let's move on to part C. Again, let's divide the number into 3 parts. 9,370,937. Look, 9 million is written for you. 370,000 is done already. What we're left with is 937. That's it, right? So the answer is 937. Now here you have to rewrite the numbers placing commas. Let's do it together. 472,000, comma, 607. Now let's do part B. It is 945,000, comma, 314. Remember the place value chart. Only if you remember the place value chart, you can do this. 5 million, comma, 124,000, comma, 800. Now let's do part D. It's 10 million. A million has 6 zeros. Remember, if you add 10 to it, it becomes 10 million. Before solving anything, remember the place value chart. Let's start off with part A. It says 370,000, comma, 951. Remember, 370,000 means that it's going to come in this thousands place. So 370,000 and then comma, it says 951. 951, right? Let's do the other one. It says 519,000. See, it means that it's going to come in the place of 100,000's place. 519,000, comma, 268. 2 in hundreds place and 68 is going to come here, right? Moving on to part C, it says 3 million, 3 in millions place. Then it says 600,000. See, 600,000. 6 is going to come in 100,000's place. 115. 115. I'm not writing anything here, so we're going to write 0, 0, comma. I hope this is clear. Part D says 6 million, comma, then it says 534,000. So it's going to come in thousands place. 534,000, comma, right? And 7 it says. And 7 means it's going to come in ones place. So we're going to write 0, 0 in here. Part E is simple as it says 2 lakhs and 32. What is lakhs? You must know. Lakhs or 100,000s is the same thing. Okay, I'll write it here for you. Remember this, okay? 2 lakhs, which I said is also coming in 2 lakhs, which will come in 100,000s place. See, 2 lakhs because it has 5 zeros. 2 lakhs and 32. Let's write it here, 32. So what are we going to write in between? We're going to add zeros here. So it's going to be 2 lakh and 32. Understand? Okay, part F is 25 lakhs. Remember, it's going to come in the 100,000s place. 25 lakhs, 718. 7 is going to come in hundreds place. 718. So we don't have anything here. We're going to add 0 and a comma, right? Please watch this repeatedly so that it's clear to you. In this question, we have to write the numbers given to us in words, right? Let's solve it together. But before solving, remember to divide the number into parts. See, 635,808. 635,808. Coming to part B, again, let's divide the number into two parts. 708,259. Okay, let's write it down. Please repeat after me. 708,000. Now this part, 259. In the next one, let's divide the number again. It's 1,934,572. Let's write it down. Remember the place value chart. If you know it well, only then you'll be able to solve it, right? Please repeat after me. 1,934,000. Now we're left with this part. 572. Part D, let's divide the number again. 6,049,007. This is easy because they've given zeros. You know what? When I'm writing it here, like 6 million, please look at the numbers, comma. Now we have 49,000. 49,000. And I'm not going to put a comma here because it's James Bond number 007. That's it. What are the missing numbers? Let's fill in the blank. Remember the place value chart and remember to divide the number into two parts. Let's start off with part A, 162,559. 559 is done for you. Here, what we're left with is 162,000. 162,000. In the next one, it's 200,075. 200,000 or 2 lakh is done for you. What we're left with is 75. So we're just going to write 75. That's right. Next, 4,550,524. Let's see, they've done 4 million for us. They've done 524. Left with is 550,000. Don't forget it comes in the thousands place, right? Next one, 6,013,480. 480 is done for us. 13,000 is written for us. What we're left with is 6 million. 6 million has 6 zeros. Oh, look at the next one. Again, they've done it tricky for us. They've shifted the number on the other side, but the method is the same. Remember, 2,303,907. They've written 907 for us. 303,000 is done. What we're left with is 2 million. 2 million. Remember, million has 6 zeros. Okay, 5 million. Again, the number is on the other side. You know why they do this? Because they check your concentration. So be alert, okay? 5,009,211. Look, 5 million is done for you. 211 is done for you. What we're left with is 9,000. That's it. This is the answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it'll take a little time to understand, but if you watch it repeatedly, you surely will. That's it for today. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.